I'm Jocelyn Lay, and I'm going to show you a quick way to use camera on the Chromebooks and then to find the photos that you've taken after the fact, because that is always a tricky thing for a lot of students and for teachers. So here, this little circle, the launcher, you can see I've used the camera app very often, so there it is. You can also search camera, and there it will be, and it will open up the app for you. Now, if you want the app to just stay down here in this bar, you can do the alt click or right click by using both of your two fingers on the pin pad or the little pad and pin it so it's always there for you. And there is the camera. We'll have camera and camera. So I'm going to take a picture. And down here, just like on your phone, you can see the gallery with your image in it. Now you can see I've got a couple different pictures going in the gallery. You can edit photos, you can delete them, you can see them as a thumbnail. But what I'm interested in is how can I access this through my Google Drive? So if I go down here to this file area, it will open up this, and I want to go to recent. And here are all the pictures I just took. Now in Google Drive, I have a folder that I've created called photos, and then I can just move those pictures into my photo folder, and now I'll be able to access them. So if I need to post something onto Google Classroom for students that's an image, I can access that through my Google Drive. So let's move over here, and I'm going to my drive. Photos. And there they are. Mostly me just staring at the camera. If you have any questions on how to do this, please feel free to ask. There are plenty of other tutorials and how-tos out on Google on how to do this. So just search it in Google and it should come up. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.